Hi Tampa Bay, it's Ryan Owens at NFM Lending, Tampa Bay's Common Sense Lender. I wanted to go over some bullet points of why you should use myself and my team for all your loan services needs. Here's the number one thing, in-house processing. We have processors that have been at NFN at this branch for over 11 years. We have the best hand-selected in-house processors. We don't have them over in Arizona or in the Northeast, they're right there in our house. Also, our team of junior processors that are in-house as well, ordering all the upfront orders immediately. That means the title work, the appraisal, the verifications of employment, the VOMs. These are all getting done quickly so we can maintain the reputation of having a clear to close in as little as 15 calendar days, not business days. Also, our appraisal management company. We have our own appraisal management company, meaning that we have hand-selected all of the best appraisers to go out and quickly and thoroughly appraise all of our properties. Also, to be determined underwriting, meaning that we can provide you with a loan commitment for your offers instead of just a pre-approval letter. We'll fully underwrite the file and have that loan commitment to you so that your offer is basically a cash offer. Speaking of underwriting, we have the best underwriters in the country. These aren't in-house, and the only thing we don't have in-house due to the fact that we need to have the best. So we have some underwriters in Orlando, we have some condo underwriters in Pinellas, we have them that are in Florida, but we also have some in the Northeast at our corporate office as well. But these have been working with us for years, and they are some of the best in the business. Also, constant communication. You're gonna have updates via email, phone call, and text, and you get a call from your loan officer every single Tuesday for a Tuesday update for the buyer's agent, the buyer themselves, and the listing agent, keeping everyone up to date on where the file is at. We wanna make sure that we maintain the best +1 service when it comes to communication. My team has a bilingual LP2 that is available at all times throughout the day to be able to take applications and maintain a lead callback within 45 minutes. He is bilingual and licensed and able to walk clients and provide that extraordinary service and walk them through the documents and things of that nature. And marketing. We have a great marketing department and design team that is able to create open house flyers and help you reduce your expenses with your marketing. Also, you have the ability to have an LO with an awesome team that can come out and do video marketing with you at your open houses or video market with you for a variety of ideas where we can create a greater brand and greater presence here in Tampa Bay. We also have a weekend scenario desk. Basically, we have underwriters that take turns throughout different weekends to be able to provide us with excellent service so that we can pre-qualify your buyers on the weekends and make sure that if we have any needs, we have the availability of our underwriters during the weekend. You also will have classroom trainings from a knowledgeable, energetic LO who can teach your buyer's agents, listing agents, and everybody on your team how to best utilize social media, how to use video marketing and some of the best real estate tools that are out there, be able to go over loan programs and be available to be a part of your team, to come in and educate and inspire those who are on your team to be able to create a great brand, understand better utilization of tools that are available for real estate agents, so you have a knowledgeable LO who is available to come in and speak to your team. We also, on top of all of that, we have personally hand-selected the best credit repair specialists in the country to be able to help your clients who do not qualify immediately to get back to the closing table with just as great as communication as we have to keep everyone in the loop and get prepared to bring that client back to the closing table and get their keys. So all of this and more, I want to ask you, who is your lender? We want you to be able to experience our process so that we can become #1 for you and your most highly recommended lender. Please call me or text me with any questions. If you have any interest in interviewing me at all to learn more about my team and what we can do to help you build your business, get more clients, get more referrals, and close loans on time or early, I'd be more than happy to come by. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you soon.